I've been in Delhi 4 days.
Just go a little down.
Here?
Down.
Yeah, jump from there.
Here?
You can just be on Delhi or in Taju.
Okay, I'm going to talk about that. That's not a simple question because I couldn't find it. Pharmaceuticals. Where's the most expensive keyword?
Bangalore.
Again, Bangalore. Why? You have industries there, you have factories, you have online stores, you can open your browser, American search query, and just order to your house medicines from there. You can do it here in Pune as well, you can do that in Pune as well? Yes. Okay, that's amazing. I've been living the last 20 years of my life in Russia, and we cannot do that. We don't have such services. But here, you have, where is that? Bangalore, yes? Yes. But in Bangalore, a lot of people were telling me that you have that kind of commerce industry with pharmaceuticals, which is great. Next industry, software development. Okay. Delhi, Hyderabad, Bangalore. And you can see the price there. And where's the less expensive? Yes. For some industries, Bangalore. Okay, this is Chennai. This is a new player here. Software, Chennai. Why? Startups also.
IT park.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, this is an IT hub, which is amazing. So, you want to see all this information, but you need to understand how you can use that. If you have clients, you're going to see, okay, I need to check the software industry, or I need to check the chemical industry, I need to check the insurance industry in order to see how much they're going to spend in their advertising, how much they're going to spend in their SEO optimization. Travel industry. Where is the most expensive keyword? Actually, it's Bangalore. I couldn't understand why, because from abroad, you are finding a lot of places to go in Mumbai, Delhi, and of course, the Taj Mahal, which I didn't find it here.
Delhi.
Well, near to Delhi, yes? I have an example of that. Why in Bangalore is more expensive?
There are basically.
Okay, you know why? Which is our research. We guys who are in another country, in another even continent, we are seeing all this data and we understand, okay, those are the cities that we need to go. Those are the cities who are growing really fast in India. And of course, the question is, how do I grow up my business? How do I get out of my competition if I'm just starting? If I'm just trying to have some piece of the big cake of the digital industry? The answer is very easy. You need to think like a growth hacker. Who is a growth hacker here? Okay, you look like a growth hacker. Because you're very handsome. Yes, I'm also a growth hacker because the thing is that you need to learn about what you are doing in the whole perspective. What is that? Because a growth hacker is a person who is running ideas to get immediate results, very fast, very quickly. So you cannot say, okay, it's going to be tomorrow. No, it's today, or I'm going to stay in my office till midnight to get results. So it's a recipe. Yes? Do you have that kind of colleagues in your work, in your university, who cannot go to sleep and say, no, I need to finish this, I need to finish this? Second, they need to execute and argument their ideas, test and run those ideas. So they have all the data, they have Google Analytics, they have other platforms where they can get a lot of information, and they need to test their hypothesis, and they need to argument that, okay, I'm gonna go, for example, I'm gonna go, that was my hypothesis. I'm gonna go to India, and I'm gonna make a lot of meetups, and people will gonna come from those cities where the most expensive CPC is. So you are here. My hypothesis is correct. It is. Why? Because the numbers never lie. You have the numbers, you have the trending of how cities is developing, and you need to go and run it for yourself. Next one, you don't need to concentrate only on a single process. If you are a sales guy, content writer, social media manager, or whatever, or developer. We have developers here today? Oh no. Okay, where? Okay, that's me. Oh, you're an SEO and a developer. So that's the perfect combination. When you're a developer, you're creating products, you're creating software, which is gonna be used by thousands, maybe millions of people. But if you don't understand how to market, how to sell that product, you're not gonna go to nowhere. So, we know that right now, today, these are the most important processes in marketing. Maybe tomorrow they're gonna change, but today, those are the most important. First one is SEO, search engine optimization. Second one is content marketing. They are going together. Right now, content marketing is like everything. Then is SEM, or search engine marketing, or pay-per-click marketing, PPC. Then is social networks. And the last is competitors research. This is the online marketing world right now. We at SEMRUSH, we call all of these processes galaxies, because in each one of these processes, they have I don't know, 100,000 of different subtopics. SEO, technical SEO, offline SEO, online SEO, content marketing, they have copyright and emotional marketing, influencer marketing, like a lot. And the problem for any person is to concentrate on a single process. So, I know SEOs, I know content marketing, I know PPC, social network, but I can do everything by my own. So where do I need to concentrate? Well, let's take a look. Where to focus? In order to be a good marketer, you need to think like a salesperson, as a marketer, and as a developer. And those aspects of marketing are the most important. Well, which one of those is the most important?
Customers.
Okay, who says customers? And you're right. That's the most important, because if you don't have customers, you don't have any business. And okay, I know a lot of startups, and the thing is, they want to have the most efficient software. They want to use the latest technology in order to create everything fast. But if you don't have people to test it, it's nothing. Okay, let's start with customers. So, sorry for the misprint. Customer journey. You know the customer journey? Well, those are points in order to understand where I can touch, where I can affect my users. There are a lot of them. There are really hundreds of them. Right now, I'm a representative of a brand. I'm touching you. Well, I'm not touching you, but I'm affecting you somehow. Because you know me, you're what you I am. I'm speaking with you. I'm not touching you. You know this brand? You know the story behind this brand? No. Because this is a lion, this is a logo, this is the perception of what we have of a brand. My perception from this brand, like 3 years ago, changed like 360 actually. Because this is a logo. The Ritz-Carlton are a network of hotels, very expensive. They are luxury hotels. And I say, okay, no problem. But the next thing is the first association that I have as a user. Okay, I'm traveling through a lot of places, and I never went here. But after this picture that I'm going to show you, I wanted to be there once per life. Why? Because this is my association as a customer, as a user with the brand. This guy. It's ugly. No, it's very cute. It's very interesting. His name is Joshi. Okay, now you're asking, okay, what's the comparison with Carlton and Joshi? And the thing is that 3 years ago, who has kids here in the public? Okay, 1, 2, 3. You know, you can understand me better. 3 years ago, a family was taking their vacations in the Carson Ridge, I believe that was in Hawaii, and everything went well. But when they returned to their home, the little kid, 4 years old or something, yes, 4 years old, he forgot his little fellow in the Carson hotel. And if you're a father and you are seeing that your child is saying, "Oh my God, I forgot my little friend in the Carson hotel," and that's 6 hours by plane, so you cannot go there next day, and you say, "Okay, what I'm gonna do as a father?" Because every single day the kid is saying, "I forgot my little friend over there." So the next day you're hearing the same thing. I forgot it, and the kid is crying, and you say, "Okay, stop, I'm gonna fix this." And the thing is that the father calls to the hotel reception, say, "Maybe you found and lost some found services. This little fellow with this, you know what kind of animal it is? It's very difficult to define it. It's a giraffe. It's a giraffe. Yes. So, and the guys from the reception, they say, "No problem. We're gonna fix all of this, but it's gonna take some time." Okay, but I need some results right now because my kid is crying every day, and that's very difficult to handle it. And the guys from the go, "Okay, no worries. Tomorrow you're gonna have results. Tomorrow, okay, perfect." And what the people from the hotel, what they did? Well, they did an amazing work because they took pictures from the toy, like this. This is Joshi. They took pictures of them, like, okay, Joshi he's not lost. He's just staying a little bit more. He's taking more vacations, so he's prolonged his vacations in the hotel. And they say, "Okay, just want to let you know that he's still here. So it's not lost. It's not like in a dark place. He's taking the sun with glasses, And okay, he's meeting other friends. He has a lion. He has a dolphin over there. He has real animals over there. So he's taking a good time. And those are real pictures. Okay, but and in the letter that I sent us, they say, okay, Joshi needs to pay for his staying in the hotel, so we hired him. He's working for the hotel. You can see here, Joshi lost prevention, and he's working. And the face of the kid was, "Oh my God, he's working." He's taking a massage. He's going around in a golf cart. What do you think? Only 5, 6 pictures sending that to the father, to the kid. What was the reaction of that people? They were impressed. They were like, "Oh my God, the Ritz-Carlton is not the logo. Ritz-Carlton is about the people who are working there." And the father, this is the father, he created a YouTube channel. Right now he has more than 2 million or 3 million followers. And that story that I just told you, it was featured in CBS, in Fox News, in Forbes, in Fox, in USA Today, like everywhere. And the perception that people are having right now to the Ritz-Carlton is this. It's not the logo, it's Joshi. It's just the experience that this father and his kid is right now, I believe, 14, but still. Isn't it an amazing story? Yes. It is. That's why we need to understand that the customer journey is not the same thing as it was like 3 years ago when we tried to understand the funnels of conversion. So this is the first step. This is the second, because people, they want to buy stuff wherever they want. They don't want to be tracked by a tracking system. Who knows tracking systems? There are a lot. Yes, there are a lot. And this is the customer journey in the biggest way. You can touch, influence people offline or online. And all those processes are working right now really well. For example, PR, radio, televisor, online ads, email, PPC, an online version, website, blog, media, forum, social networks, blog, newsletter, everything just to touch you, just to influence you, just to say, okay, here I am, this is my product, this is my service. Every single. There are teams all over the world who are working with every single process in order to touch it. In my company, we have all of them. We have like 300 marketeers working with all of them. Why? Because they are working. But we find out another big thing. That when you're trying to understand when is the right moment, that's the clue. And that's the secret formula. When you're trying to understand when is the best moment to catch the client for pay, okay, you don't know because, okay, actually I'm just looking for the bathroom. They don't want to pay. They're just asking. We're changing our minds every single time. And the thing is that what is more important right now? User behavior or user experience? And you say like a lot, user experience. Why? Because you are also a user, you are also a customer. And if you don't have the good experience of experimenting a new, product or service, you don't gonna try again. And the objective of every e-commerce, of every online business, is to make people return for more. So you don't need to be afraid to make a second sale, a third sale, a resale. That's the reason of any e-commerce in the world. So let's go with user behavior. There are tools like ClickTail. Who knows ClickTail? Okay, for people, it's a great tool for understand every single path in the customer journey. As you can see here, they have a lot of numbers. This is a pixel that you introduce in your HTML, in your web page, and you can see how exactly people are seeing your web page, how they are using your website, which is great. Yes, it is. There's another tool, Burank. Burank is telling you how people are using your website on mobile devices or desktop devices. And of course, you're going to have even a scoring. You are good on mobile, you are good on PC. This is Burank. Oh, no, this is Twitter. This is Burank. Another one, and this is really great. It's Hotjar. Who knows Hotjar? Okay, it's an amazing tool because you can record any single user action that you have in your website. You can record the actual move of the mouse, which is great. You can understand how many, you have 1,000 records, you have 1,000 records, and you can understand how they are interacting with your website live. But the thing is that I have not really good news for you. Ouch. We as marketeers, we as developers, we as SEOs, we are trying to understand how people are interacting without interacting with people. Isn't it crazy? You need to talk with people, you need to interact with them in order to understand them. But if you are only using data, you can have the ouch. This is from the Hotjar blog. And they're saying, well, there's a lot of things, but let me just read for you. Hotjar will not record visitor sessions on your site with all these exclusions. And one of them is the thing I really love, is visitors who are running browsers plugins such as Gustery. You know Gustery? Or AdBlock, which explicitly excludes them from loading tracking scripts such as ours. I know that today I'm going to talk about scripts for AdWords, but this thing is really bothering me a lot as a marketer. Because all the information that I have on all my users, and I have different projects, are not clear, are not clean. Let me tell you how this works. Well, this is my friend Gustery. The problem with Gustery is that it's totally free. You can download it right now. It's totally free. And you can see it's blocking trackers from site analytics. Who knows Crazy Egg? Well, Crazy Egg is?
Crazy Egg.
Neil Patel.
Neil Patel, yes.
Sorry, Neil Patel. It's blocked. Google Analytics. We use Google Analytics. Okay, like everyone. Sorry, Google Analytics. Blocked. Advertising. Twitter advertising. Facebook advertising. So here I just discovered that for those e-commerce, and I mostly, do you have Zalando? Okay, that's mostly for Europe. That's a big e-commerce as Amazon, but it's really heavy because they have thousands of products. When I'm using Ghostery in order to make a search query, I just told you that I'm a father, I have 2 kids. Sometimes my wife, she's calling me, she said, we need diapers. Okay, I'm looking for diapers in that store. And the next time, when I'm showing a demonstration of my tool, diapers ads are following me everywhere.
Yes. 3 months.
Like everywhere.
Yeah.
And I'm in a conference telling you about the amazing world of marketing and diapers. Okay, I need to use this kind of information. Okay, I'm looking for diapers. Some other times another thing. But with this kind of information, you are telling no, you're not gonna track my my life, and you're not gonna remarket on me. Just let me be free. So the question persists: how do I grow my business? How do I get ahead of my competition? So let's build something that we call the fundamentals of your website. And you need to use SEO or SEM. With the next example, I want to make it even more easier, more clear for you. You know this company?
Yeah.
It's like a big one, yes? For me, it was my surprise that I was searching how big is this company, and it's like 700 million searches per month. 700 million, which is amazing. But this is our client. But I'm not going to talk about them today because they're already big. They have their budget. They were a startup somewhere like 6 years ago. Now they're big. Do you know this company?
Delhi sighting.
Delhi Sighting Bus Store. Okay, I was in Delhi 4 days ago. Nobody knows this company there. And the thing is that, okay, have a good interface, they have a lot of products, they're selling tours, I'm a tourist, and I need to use them. So let's go ahead with some results. Here you can see, this is our interface. I'm entering the site that nobody knows, just to understand how they are doing their stuff. And let's take a look on the SEO traffic, how they are creating their content in order to be well ranked on Google. And as you can see here, in January, they are growing like a lot. So they are doing stuff. But when I see the number of people they're having per month, which is about 600 visitors per month, 600 is a lot? In India, it's not a lot. Because this is my grandfather, my mother, my second brother, third brother, cat, dog, 600. Yes? Somebody else. And the thing is, okay, let me try to understand how these people are promoting their services on AdWords. So this is the PPC traffic. Okay, they have budget. They were trying to promote their services. You can see here, like an experiment, and here, since October, when they were growing up with their traffic, they were spending money, and they are still spending money. And this information for me as a marketer tells me that they are having results with AdWords. Why? Because they are constantly doing it from October till today. So if you have a business, you need to promote yourself with SEO, creating really great content, or with PPC. Okay, how many people they are receiving for PPC? 279 new people. Okay, they are not relevant. New people. And the money they are spending monthly, $66 on average. Okay, let's take a look. Which type of product they are offering with SEO, with PPC. Let's take a look on the popular SEO content. As you can see here, you can see the number here, 98%. So this is the homepage of this website. 98% of the traffic are going to the homepage. Is that a good thing? Not at all, because you have other type of products. For example, here, Delhi Metro Tour, Rajasthan Wildlife Tour, and others. You have other products. And here you can see the amount of traffic. 2%, 0%, 001, 001, 001, like nothing. Nobody's seeing their products. And the thing is, this is very risky for any website for many reasons. The most important reason why this is risky to have all the traffic only to the homepage, first, is because people are entering to your site and they are leaving right now. Second, that's the bounce rate. The second one, you have all the traffic. Your servers are going down. People who are going to the homepage, they're not gonna get over there. And the third, you have hackers in India.
Yes.
We have a hacker here. Don't raise your hand. just let's be friends. If you're a hacker, you can hack very easy with negative SEO to that page, and that page is gonna bounce as well. They're gonna ping, and no results are gonna appear. So if I'm a competitor, I have several ways to do that. This page is not gonna work because their strategy is bad. 98% is really risky. This is the popular PPC content, and as you can see here, okay, they have City Palace Jaipur. Jaipur is in Delhi.
No.
Okay, Jaipur. So they have products. They have tourism products, which are in the 8th position, first position. Okay, that's normal. Volume 20,000 search per month. It's a normal volume, and other products. So they are experimenting with $66 per month. But where are all the efforts? SEO efforts are running to one single landing page. The PPC efforts are running to only one single page. And I found that page. I know what's their main product, and I know what's their business all. This is their main product. It's a daily Jaipur same-day tour with the price of 975 rupees, 1,000 rupees. Is that a good price for that tour?
Yes.
Okay, they know about the market. They're in the game. But we, as marketeers, we need to think. Okay, how many people they have per month? Like 600. Yes. What is the conversion rate average in India for the tourism industry? It's like 5-6%. 5% of 600 is like 30. 30 people per month are buying 1,000 rupees product. 30,000 rupees. Is good for a business?
No.
It's not good for a business.
No.
It's not. I believe you. I don't know. But those are the numbers. And let's take a look. About 300 people are coming from AdWords. The average conversion rate from AdWords is even lower, 3%. So we have 3% from 300, which is 9. 9 more people coming here. It's not good enough. Why? Because that's not business. And if you say, okay, they have interesting product, they have even, I can put here my nationality. You know where I'm from? I said it. Okay? Or you're stalking me on social networks. That's it. Place, outside Delhi, Travelers Day. Okay, everything is like good here. But I think is that they are selling their more interesting products, or they are selling their most comfortable products. And the thing is that I've been working for the last 10 years in the tourism industry, and I understand how these things work. Why? Because I found the other type of products that this company has. And they have products like this. Colorful Rajasthan tour from Delhi. The price is 44,000 rupees. It's a good price. Well, for me, it looks like an expensive product, but it's a good price. But if I remember the last product, 1,000 rupees, this costs 44,000, I will definitely go to sell that. Okay, that's a very difficult product. We're only selling one per year. Okay, you have the next one. Delhi, Udaipur, Jodhpur tour. 34,000 rupees, 35,000 rupees. They have several tours with higher prices. And the thing is that in my last company, I was living in Russia, we were selling only this type of products. We have those with 1,000 rupees price, but we were selling only this. It was difficult? No, it was not. Why? Because we have the technology, we have the people, and we have the strategy. People are waiting for have more experience, best and better experience. And we were selling this product. This is from my last job. This is from St. Petersburg, from Russia to Beijing. This is the Trans-Siberian train, 2 weeks in a train, in a luxury train. $7,000. Another one, Siberian tour, only from Moscow to Mongolia. $5,000. We sold about 43 tours from 2014 to 2017. Those were group tours, and this price is per person. It was difficult? Of course, the sales process is a little bit longer, but the prices, the experience is way better. So these guys over here, you can see they have their organic keywords, they have their paid keywords, and they are competing with each other. This is the same company. This is how one of the reports that we call content gap, keyword gap. And you can see here, 6 keywords are here, only 155 over there to 20 here. And the thing is that they have really good keywords in their keyword list. Every single web page, they have their keyword list. For some reason, they have ads. Oh my God, I can pronounce that. Okay, cool. It's not so difficult. Arshamadan. Okay, don't mind. They are in the 8th page of Google. Is somebody looking for the 8th page of Google?
No.
Nobody, no. 12,000 searches. And you can see here, 8th position, 47 position, 27, nobody is seeing this. 7, okay, Delhi sightseeing. We saw that product, the autobus, the 7th position. Okay, so we have another one, 15, 98, 7, another Delhi tourism bus. We already saw that. So they have a lot of keywords that they are not optimized. What they can do with that? Making AdWords with that. That's the best way to do it. Let me tell you an experiment. This is an experiment from our friend Brent Gedges from the United States. This is an experiment only working with SEO on a project. This is a tourism project as well. You can see here, this is the number of clicks on ranks only in the first page. This is the total clicks amount. This is the cost of those clicks, 0, because that's organic. You're only creating content here. And this is the conversion rate, which is 3 and 2%, which is great. The conversions are 386.